Hello, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the environment and ecology, chapter 2, that is named Ecology. Part 1 we will be discuss first of all part 1 subjective part and descriptive part of Ghatna Chakra, and next video part 2 we will be discuss about the MCQs which is asked from the ecology chapters. Then let's start. First of all, if you talk about the ecology, that it coined by Ernst Haeckel when 1866. Who was Ernst Haeckel? Ernst Haeckel was the German zoologist. Okay, Ernst Haeckel used term that is oikologies instead of ecology and explain it briefly. That means Ernst Haeckel जो थे उन्होंने इकोलॉजी के बावजूद उन्होंने इकोलॉजी नहीं कहा कि उन्होंने ऑइकोलॉजीज शब्द का यूज़ किया और उसे बहुत ही शॉर्ट में ब्रीफली उसको क्या किया, एक्सप्लेन किया. ठीक है, ऑइकोलॉजी दो ग्रीक वर्ड्स हैं, जो कि इसमें दो ग्रीक वर्ड्स कौन कौन से हैं. पहला ऑइकस और दूसरा है लॉगी. ठीक है, ऑइकस का मतलब होता है हाउस और लिविंग स्पेस एंड लॉजी का मतलब होता है स्टडी. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू यूजिन ऑडम, यानी इकोलॉजी के डिफिनेशंस जो होते हैं ये डिफरेंट ऑथर ने डिफरेंट टाइप के इकोलॉजी के ऑथर्स इकोलॉजी के डिफिनेशंस दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले देखेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू यूजिन्स ऑडम व्हाट इज़ इकोलॉजी. इकोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ नेचर्स. क्या है, इकोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ नेचर्स. ठीक है, हु प्रोपाउंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ इकोसिस्टम्स. इकोसिस्टम्स के कंसेप्ट को किसने प्रोपाउंड किया था, किसने फाउंड किया था, तो A.G. टंसले ने फाउंड किया था. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम, किसके द्वारा, तो A.G. टंसले के अकॉर्डिंग इकोसिस्टम इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ फिजिकल सिस्टम्स फॉर्म्ड बाय द बायोटिक और अबायोटिक कंपोनेंट. ठीक है, फोर्ब्स ने इकोसिस्टम के बारे में क्या कहा था, तो उन्होंने कहा था माइक्रोकॉज्म. ठीक है, इकोसिस्टम को क्या बोला था उन्होंने, माइक्रोकॉज्म बोला था. किसने, तो फोर्ब्स ने. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. What is the important characteristic of ecosystems? That is, so first of all we discuss about the characteristic of ecosystems. That is, first thing that is the flow of energy. Second, recycling of matter. Third, ecological niche. And fourth, stability and discrepancy of ecosystem. And fourth, that is stability and disruptions of ecosystems. And fifth, that is biological organizations. Next बात करते हैं कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ इकोसिस्टम. तो इकोसिस्टम्स के कॉम्पोनेंट्स कौन कौन से हैं, तो ये दो टाइप्स के कॉम्पोनेंट्स हैं. पहला बायोटिक कॉम्पोनेंट्स और दूसरा अबायोटिक कॉम्पोनेंट्स. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट अबायोटिक कॉम्पोनेंट्स दैट इज़ एयर, वाटर एंड लैंड्स. फर्दर इट विल बी डिवाइडेड इन फिजिकल, ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक. ठीक है, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट ऑफ फिजिकल थिंग्स, फिजिकल कॉम्पोनेंट दैट इज़ लाइट, temperature, humidity, atmosphere pressure. And if you talk about topography depend on height and slope, and next that is air. If you talk about organic or biotic component, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat or humus and urea. Next, if you talk about abiotic component, that is inorganic, that is water, air, water, soils, minerals, rock and calcium, potassium or magnesium. Next, if you talk about the biotic components, that is human, plant and animal. ठीक है, human, plant and animal. First of all, if you talk about biotic component, it is found producers, consumer and decomposer. Producers that can be who produce their food the own self, and consumer that they consume that things, that is animals and human, and decomposer that is fungi and bacteria. Next thing, if you talk about terrestrial ecosystem, if you talk about ecosystems, it can be divided into two parts: terrestrial ecosystems, aquatic ecosystems. If you talk about terrestrial ecosystems, that is grasslands, forest and deserts. If you talk about aquatic ecosystems, it is lake, river and oceans. Next, further, if you describe about ecosystems, it can be terrestrial, it can be aquatic, or it can be man-made या human-made. If you talk about terrestrial things, forest, grasslands and deserts. But if you talk about aquatic things, that will be divided into two parts: saline waters and non-saline waters. If you talk about saline waters, it is saline lake and estuaries and oceans. But if you talk about non-saline waters, that is ponds, waterfalls and lake. Ocean is the cradle of life on earth. Ocean is the cradle of life on earth. Next, marine ecosystem. If you talk about a composition of marine ecosystems, that is covers 70% of the earth surface. And if you talk about planet's water, that is 97% of the planet waters. Next, 85% of dissolved materials in sea waters are कौन से हैं? तो सोडियम एंड क्लोरीन Na एंड Cl. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं इकोलॉजिकल इम्बैलेंस. व्हाट इज इकोलॉजिकल इम्बैलेंस? Or disruptions of natural balance of an ecosystem. What is this? A disruptions of natural balance of an ecosystem by natural or human cause disturbances is known as ecological imbalance. Okay. A causes of deforestations. What is the causes of deforestations? That is divided into different heads. First, that is forest into agriculture lands. Yani cutting the forest and it will be converted into the agricultural lands. Second, that is natural disaster. And third, that is forest converted into grazing lands. And next, jhum cultivations. Next, forest fire. And next, that is wood cutting for commercial purposes and industrial purposes. And next, that is urbanizations. And next, heavy demand of papers. These all are the causes of deforestations. I hope you are clear that. Next, food wave and food chain. Flow of energy, that is unidirectional. It will be asked to you, that is flow of energy, it is unidirectional or multidirectional. Yeah, different thing will be there. So you have to remember that flow of energy, it will be unidirectional. Next, food chain of grasslands. Next बात करते हैं grass. It is the food chain of grasslands. Grasslands पे food chains कैसे होते हैं, कैसे एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो सबसे पहला है ग्रास ईटन बाय ग्रास हॉपर, ग्रास हॉपर्स ईटन बाय फ्रॉग एंड फ्रॉग ईटन बाय स्नेक. ठीक है. तो ग्रास क्या हुआ? प्रोड्यूसर. ग्रास हॉपर क्या हुआ? प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर. और फ्रॉग क्या हुआ? सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर. और स्नेक क्या हुआ? टर्शियरी कंज्यूमर. ठीक है. ग्रास गोट ह्यूमन इन फूड चेन. एक रिलेशन ग्रास गोट और ह्यूमन की भी होती है. इसमें सबसे पहला ग्रास जो है ये क्या है? ऑटोट्रॉप्स है. उसके बाद से गोट क्या है? हर्बीवोर्स और कंज्यूमर्स है. ह्यूमन क्या है? ओमनीवोर्स और कंज्यूमर्स, बिकॉज ह्यूमन कैन ईट प्लांट एंड एनिमल बोथ. नेक्स्ट, फाइटोप्लैंक्टन. फाइटोप्लैंक्टन कैन ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ माइक्रो algae. Micro algae, it have found the micro algae found, that is chlorophyll, and they require sunlight to live and grow. Phytoplankton requires the inorganic nutrient like nitrate, phosphate, sulfur, which converted into nitrate, phosphate, sulfur, which will be converted into protein, fat and carbohydrates. Okay, done. Next, primary producers and ecosystems. Here we will see something about primary producers and their ecosystems. First of all, if you discuss about phytoplankton, the phytoplankton ecosystem, that is ocean and deep water. If you talk about rooted plants, that is shallow water. Where found? It is in shallow waters. Grass and the forest plant, it will be found in the grasslands. Next, croplands, that will be found in croplands. Crop plants found in the croplands. Next thing, important fact about exams, that is ant take energy from the cellulose. Okay, or ant some important things. It can be decomposers, it can be first consumers, or it can be scavengers. ठीक है. Next, deer. If you talk about deer is herbivores and first consumer. Tiger is carnivores and fox is omnivores. So thank you for watching. This was the end of chapter 2, that is ecology of Ghatna Chakra. If you want to more video, then you can watch the first chapter of environment and ecology, which I have uploaded in the channel. Thank you for watching. This was the end of chapter 2, that is ecology of Ghatna Chakra. If you want to more video, then you can watch the first chapter of environment and ecology, which I have uploaded in the channel. Thank you for watching. This was the end of chapter 2, that is ecology of Ghatna Chakra. If you want to more video, then you can watch the first chapter of environment and ecology, which I have uploaded on my channel. Two part will be there. First part of that is subjective parts या descriptive part of the घटना चक्र, and second part will be the MCQs. Okay, thank you for watching.